We are right after the eclipse. Like it was
Right
like
after
it wasn't
the
like
eclipse.
100% dark like night, but it was dark.
It was almost dark as night. And there was so much lightning, and it was so close to us, we were scared. We're huddled in this corner of this golf
A tree fell.
bathroom
I saw a tree fall.
on the golf course at Westcott, South Carolina. And this is about 2 minutes after the eclipse, but the whole time it was complete and total. We have been out here, me and my son Cohen, just sort of scared and trying to stay safe because there's so much water between us and our house that we didn't want to walk back and be in all this water when this lightning's so close, but I don't know if we're safe here either.
Probably a
What
tad
would
bit.
you do?
I'm
Weather
just-
Channel, tell us, are we safe under this thing? We're not, we feel very exposed here.
We're not as exposed. I'd rather be in the house
Yes, we would.
or
rather
in
be
the garage.
house. But I can't.
Oh, I see all these burnt
Yeah.
leaves falling. I'm just kidding, but
I don't know what to do.
like
do we-
some of them are like 5 miles away, and some of them are like a minute. Oh my god! I see like all these. I see a burnt. I just saw a burnt leaf fall.
What if we go in the bathroom?
See, that boat was like more than a mile away.
You think it was? Did it take a
I
second?
counted.
You did? Okay.
Every 5
That's
seconds
a
is a
little
mile.
That may be- golly, it's gonna
Like
happen.
some of them are like light thunder, like immediately.
Son,
Can I hold it?
yeah, but
It doesn't look nearly as bad on the videotape. Like I can't see the end of the golf course, but on this, like you can kind of see it.
wonder what those golfers did.
Probably stayed in their golf cart. Yeah. I saw a couple of burnt leaves falling down. Okay, that was way more than a mile. There's nothing really to see. Well, there is. But you can see the lightning. Oh, this is freaky. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was about a mile and a half away. 1,
Is it metal in the back to go in the bathroom?
because you gotta touch metal.
Well, just one for a second, right?
Yeah.
Wait, just do it here. Just a second.
Oh,
Is there metal in here?
not a lot.
I feel a little better in here. What's on the floor? Can you turn lights on my phone?